Yeah.
Please unmute, madam.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes.
Good afternoon, one and all. Thank you, Mr. Ram, for introducing myself, Dr. Shreya. I'm assistant professor at Amity University, Bangalore. Glad to see you all here. Yeah, I can have some emojis you all can share because everybody can't unmute and say the same. So I would like everyone to have be interacting. As if there is any doubt, you all can raise your hand. If you have any, if I'm asking you all understood or anything, you can just respond with the help of emojis. Yeah, and I'll be checking out if emojis are not there. I will just call out their names and I might ask them questions. I know there are these all are. I'm talking to an audience which is filled with the research scholars, the eminent research scholars, and as well as professors. There are some assistant professors as well, but still, I think the session should be interactive, and when it is online, it should be more interactive. And let's begin with the session. I hope I'm audible. I want anybody to raise your hand or put a thumbs up. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, you all can have just a thumbs up also. You can share the
Yes,
emoji.
ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Is my yes, Ganesh? May I know is Ganesh D? Yeah. May I know is my PPT being seen to you?
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam.
Thank you, Ganesh.
Yes, madam.
Yes. Uh, so today here we are going to learn on something about JASP. You know what is JASP? Anybody say? Okay. Who is this? Mantesh. Mantesh, sir, please would you tell me what is JASP of you? Have you ever heard about this anywhere before? Mantesh,
No,
sir?
madam. This is very new to me. Just
Okay.
just eager to learn.
Thank you so much. Uh, like what do you expect from this? Like what do you think it is about all?
I think it is data analysis software.
Okay.
We have learned till today some Stata, SPSS, and all like that. Only it will be a different kind of tool. That's my understanding.
It's perfectly right what you said. It's
Yeah.
just one of type of software or kind of tool that has been introduced, which is a new one. Like it's an updated one, which can also analyze both primary as well as secondary data. Thank
Yes.
you.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll go into more into it. So
Madam, can I install this one? What are you doing?
yeah, in the morning only I asked Ram sir to send it to you all and install it. Haven't you downloaded that?
No, madam. Still, I download it. I can try it. Right.
It's 1 GB and it will get downloaded soon if there is Wi-Fi.
We try, ma'am, but not download.
Not downloading.
How, um, how many of you have downloaded it?
Yes,
Anybody?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Downloaded.
Can you all just try because we're going to have an hands-on session and it's very necessary that you all have the software. See, it will hardly take 5 minutes. Those who have not downloaded, please click on the link and just download it. Download it and install it. It will hardly take 5 to 6 minutes. Otherwise, whatever we are doing, it will
Yes,
be
madam.
like,
We will download it, madam.
yes, please do that. Hina ma'am,
Yes.
have you downloaded it?
No, ma'am.
Okay, please download it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. There are 27 participants overall. 27, 26 now. So once you are downloaded, please give a thumbs up in the chat box quickly. Ram sir,
Yeah, madam.
sir, have you shared the data set to them?
Not yet, madam. Shall I share this
Yes,
data in?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please share the data. Okay, one message I got downloaded by Mallikarjuna. Okay.
Dear participant, I share on Excel file in group.
So if it is possible, link send it, sir, regarding this JASP.
Yeah, I sent morning Jasper link.
JSP, just link. It is already shared in the morning, sir. Please check once again.
1 second, I'll send you.
Sir, just share it once again to them.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, I think two students have, participants have already logged in. That is Shivappa sir and Mallikarjun sir, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So we have 2 more participants. Please make it soon.
Hello, madam.
Yes, sir.
Madam, I am getting the error message. After all downloading, it is showing that file was not available on site.
Did you like it got downloaded completely?
Yes, madam. After completely downloaded, finally it's showing that error message. File was not available on site. So morning only I faced the same issue.
Huh.
Uh,
But if nobody has got faced the same issue, I think. Anybody in the team has faced this issue?
No, madam. I downloaded.
Yeah, it's
No, madam.
I think here two options are there. One is Windows installer and a pre-installed zip file.
go to Windows installer.
Yes, madam. That only I have installed. I have
Try
downloaded.
okay, and then it says file error.
Yes, ma'am. I think it is 935 MB file is there.
No, 1 MB file is there, sir.
Ah, 1 MB, madam.
Yes.
Okay. That is downloaded, madam. Job installer anta it is showing job installer.
Okay.
That is being downloaded, madam. How to run it? That
Extract
is being
file.
downloaded.
Extract files.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'll try. Thanks, ma'am.
Yes. Mahbub sir also is facing the same thing. I think both of you can just try once again.
Madam, they are asking the payment, madam. Just pay Freshway, do such a payment form.
Go for the free version, sir.
Where actually?
Can you share the screen otherwise?
Wait, madam, wait.
Sir Shivappa, sir,
Tell me, ma'am.
you did it. You downloaded it right now, right?
Yes, ma'am. I
Could
downloaded.
you please guide them? Like, did you face anything like this? No.
Yes,
Madam,
Huh. Yes.
Madam, there are two files for Windows uh, operating system. There are two files.
Okay.
One is the Windows installer, which is of 935 MB, and there is one more zip file, madam, which is 1
Ah.
GB file.
Yeah, yes, yes. Zip file only. Yes.
Zip file we have to download, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, madam. Thank you, madam. Okay.
Yes, friends, I think we will start with the thing. Someone has asked about anybody is texting? Another 1 minute, we'll start with the session. I think you all can just whoever is having the file, you all can whoever has downloaded, you all can practice it. Otherwise, you anything anyway, the session is going to be recorded. Later, you all can practice the same. And JASP is a user friendly and it is like self-learning app. So later also, you just go through the steps, record the things so that later you can practice on the same. Okay. For now, yes. Okay, Jagdish sir, we will start the session. Fine. So, why do we want these modern tools? Yes. I hope I don't have to explain this part at least, because in social science, we have always been like whatever new technology comes, it is first adopted by the science. Okay. But then social science is always taking it last. But that is very necessary to have in social sciences, because social science is directly connected with the psychological, social, and economic behavior of a person. So, and when we're talking about these things, it is like a necessary you can say the necessary thing of life of any human being or a country is well-being of a welfare of a nation. That is first comes as a human centric. So human beings are in a proper the welfare of human beings is very, very necessary, and social science researchers are coming up with theories, or they're coming up with studies which are mainly enhancing the human behavior. Yes, sorry, human welfare. So social science research has evolved with advanced digital tools for precision and efficiency. So we just want precise data, we want precise result, efficient results, so that we can frame policies accordingly and have a proper efficient results as well. So that is why we need this advanced digital tools for making social science research. Similarly, platforms like Science Direct, ResearchGate, JSTOR, offer extensive literature, that is literature sources, resources, wherein you have lot of exposure or you have availability of thousands and lakhs of data, papers, ideas. So you can have more and more researches because of these platforms. And also data collection has been enhanced by Kobo, the apps like Kobo, Google Forms, and SurveyMonkey. But like it's not so difficult as before. Sit and make a questionnaire, then take the printouts, then again it was in for so physical work was involved. But now because of just the Kobo app or Google Forms and SurveyMonkey, we can just immediately, without a second, we can just collect the data. And ChatGPT has made it so easy that even if you want to add questions, what kind of questions you want, in what format you want, you can easily gain it. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you. Yeah. So these statistical tools. Sorry. Somebody asked me something. Okay. Statistical software such as SPSS. I think in the last few days of your this workshop, you all have studied SPSS, R, and Stata, if I'm not wrong, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. Have
ma'am.
you all
But
studied?
we are not studied about the arts. Just we learn about the spaces and strata.
Data and SPSS you'll have studied. Okay. So R is just again command based. It is completely command based, similar to SPSS data, but R is more advanced and it has more of commands. So maybe that has not been covered. Maybe later it might be in the next research methodology course. So for now, and we are going to add now JASP to the same. So these are enabling scientific data processing. See, Excel nowadays, updated versions of Excel has been like it has also been AI inbuilt AI, and wherein you can have hundreds of analysis done, various types of analysis made even through Excel. But more than Excel, these are more handy. In Excel, you take 3 steps. In SPSS, in Stata, or in JAS, in just one click, you're going to get whatever you want. Okay, so that is what we have to have enhanced. Everything world in the world is going AI based. So why should we be lacking behind? That is why we are introducing our society with these softwares, that is statistical softwares or enhanced digital tools or AI tools, we can say. So GIS, QGIS, these all you all have already studied. Just like last time Ram sir was telling me, all these QGIS and like these all help in making the data more presentable, more precise, more advanced, and more efficient, right? Okay. So now I'll just give a small introduction to the JAS. So it's nothing but Jeffrey's Amazing Statistics Program. So the full form of JASP is Jeffrey's Amazing Statistics Program. He is one of our social scientists, or he has many theories, wherein he has come up with many theories. And how did he come up with many theories? With the empirical evidence. And when there is empirical evidences involved, you have to have some statistical programs or statistical tools which you have to inbuilt. And so with the help of his knowledge, he was able to come up with this source or this software that is very easy and also advanced in statistical analysis. And this is very user friendly. It's just drag and drop analysis. So you just have to drag and drop and select. That's it. And you will get the immediate answers. You'll get the immediate analysis, immediate presentation of data in any format you want. So then, and it has less coding. I told you just now, R has lot of codes have to be given, lot of commands have to be given. I know it is very easy for a software engineer or the person who is very much equipped with computer science knowledge. But for a person of social science, it has to need a lot of practice and learning. So instead of coding, here it is more of drop and drag, menu driven, what you can say, working of it. So then we have various descriptive statistic, t-test, ANOVA, regression, Bayesian analysis, and more have been seen. We can do all kind of statistic analysis through JAS. So it also provides APA formatted. We always social science researchers are APA format. They expect APA the presentation in APA format, and that also it gives. So it is an alternative to SPSS and R. So it's an alternative means it's a substitute for SPSS and R. It's so similar to it. Yeah. So why JASP for research or even for teachers? So nowadays, even I have been taking JASP for teaching the students, the degree students, as well as PG students, quantitative subjects like statistics or research methodology. So JASP has become very user friendly, teaching friendly. Okay, so it is also mainly it is a free and a open source. Okay, so simple interface and quick analysis can be done. Bayesian frequentist statistics are have been given by this. Then dynamic visualization tools supports reproducible research. So you have many advantages with the JAS. So without wasting much time, we'll just begin with the JAS software. Those who have already downloaded the JAS, I want you all to I want all to open the JASP software quickly. Go into the JASP folder. You will have JASP in this. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, madam.
No,
Yes.
madam.
Yes.
JASP is not open, ma'am.
JASP is open for all.
Just
No,
for
no,
not
ma'am.
open, ma'am. But slides is
Slide not
showing
changing.
us.
Okay. One minute.
Screen is not visible of the JASP, ma'am. That's it.
Is it visible now?
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, madam.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Yeah. I have shared a data file as well. It's for just learning. It's simple data. There's simple data in that. With the Excel sheet. Seema?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Are you able to do you have the access to the Excel sheet?
Yes, ma'am. I have that.
Yeah. Then the name of the Excel sheet is
Book 3.
yeah, book 3 new. Income, right? Yeah, IN is there, right?
Yes, yes. Book
Yeah.
3.
Okay. So
District
now,
name.
sorry.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Seema. Yeah, guys. So now you all can see this page. This is the fun page of the welcome page of the JAS. Okay. And here your data, there is three slashes are there in the left hand corner, top corner. Show menu, main menu, right? Click there. You can go to open. Yeah, only three, you can see this, they're active, other all are closed. Here, open when you go, you can see here, you can take it from recent files if you have used, then you have computer, from computer you want to browse the data files, OSF files, that takes again online. Then databases, if you have any database direct, you can give its drives address and you can just import the data, and you have something known as data library also. So for teachers, or when you are going to teach using the JAS, you can directly go through this data library and you can see here books. Okay, when you click on books, you get 2 books in which explained properly, step by step the explanation is given to how to make analysis. So those who have not downloaded the JASP, later you can refer these books or as well as refer the video that has been shared so that you can learn it better. So as much as the softwares you know, you are having an add-on in your CV, guys. Trust me. And when a social scientist has been equipped with something like these tools, which are like updated and now in the market, you're going to have a good demand. Okay, that is the main motive behind learning these things. Of course, and research at least has its own advantages. You can have proper analysis made. You can have wonderful what you can say is presentations of data and other things. So descriptions of data. So this is in these books you can download them also. Then in this down menu, you can see there what all analysis can be made. So you can see here right from descriptive statistics, t-statistics, ANOVA, regression, frequencies, audit, Bain, discovery, distribution. This all, any one you click, you can just, whoever has downloaded, you can click and check what all things are there. So you can understand they have their own data. Okay, they have been it's inbuilt with some data, and it gives a short description about the data. And then as you go on clicking the data and the left hand side, I will show you the slides. As you go on clicking, you will get the different output as well as the right hand side. So we'll just go further. The first one, once we'll start with open, go to the computer wherever you have shared save this file what I have sent you. So village data in yeah.
Please repeat, madam. Please repeat. What's the procedure? Repeat.
Okay, 1 minute. Go to 3 dots. Okay, these 3 lines. Give me a minute. 1 minute. Ram sir.
Ma'am, Ram sir is not available.
Okay.
Tell me, ma'am.
Seema ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the data has these data only, right? District name.
Ma'am, it is. I think respondents is not available. It is there, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. District name. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
District name, village name, respondent,
Okay. Okay.
caste,
Okay.
ration card,
Okay. Respondent education.
education, and types of family, and
Okay.
occupation and income.
Yes, thank you, Hina ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Welcome.
Sir, asked me to repeat once again. I'm just repeating. Here you have you click on these 3 lines, which is the left head of the left side of the top end. Yes, when you click on the 3 hands, you get open. Once you have open, you have recent files, you have computer, OSF, database, and data library. In the computer, you go to browse. Okay, when you browse, you get the different options here. Wherever you have saved the data, yes, everyone, wherever you have saved the data, click on the click on that folder, and then you can double click. Just you can click once and say open. Sir, did you get it? I think Jagdish sir asked this question to repeat. Am I audible?
No, ma'am.
Somebody
Yes,
asked.
ma'am. You are audible.
Yeah, somebody asked me to read.
Yes, ma'am. You can continue that, ma'am. They have
Yeah.
got that. You can continue.
Okay, thank you, Ganesh sir. Yeah, so now here we can see that data is here. Can you all see? Everyone can see the data? Yeah. Now there is district name, village name, respondents, caste, ration card, respondent education, types of family, occupation, and income. So we can see that district name is the categorical data. When you have these 3 pie charts, it is categorical data. Village name also is a categorical data, but it is showing as nominal data. So we need to change it, right? So how do we change it now? Even you can see this respondent. Respondents is nothing but names of the respondents, which have given just numbers here, serial number of the respondents. I think many are comfortable with Kannada as well, right? Can I?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am. Almost.
Thank you. Okay. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಡೇಟಾ ಇದೆ? ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿಕಲ್ ಡೇಟಾ.
Madam, 3% will be going to law background is purely on central university, madam. There are not much more.
Done. Okay, sir. I will just mix little some words. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
May I know your name, sir?
Durgappa, madam, but my friend is come from the law university. Yes.
No problem. No, once you tell your name so that I can call out in between if I have to ask question. Yes, sir. Durgappa sir, thank you for this information. Otherwise, I would have gone in Kannada in the flow. Yeah. So, excuse me. Yeah, you can see here there is district name, village name, respondent, caste, ration card. Ration card is there or not there? Okay. Or which card is there? Like Anya Antodaya Yojana card is also there. You all know the difference between the three, if I'm not wrong, APL, BPL, and AAY. So then respondents education, type of family, whether nuclear or joint, occupation. We have 5 numbers in the occupation, income levels. Only income is the scalar data. Other all are into nominal data, right? Nominal data or categorical data?
Yes, madam.
Categorical data or nominal data, sir?
That is one. The district is the
Nominal.
categorical name, ma'am.
Okay.
Nominal.
The village is the categorical.
Okay.
Then respondent, okay, it is an categorical. The caste will be going to nominal, madam. Actually,
How it will be nominal, sir?
maybe SC, ST, OBC.
Yeah, but then it is again category, no?
Yes,
Categorical.
ma'am. Okay.
Okay, we are
That
not.
is categorical.
Yeah. Yes. So other all, if you see here, it is categorical data. Only income is nominal data, or you can say it is scalar data. So now district name. When you click, okay, now how to change it? How to know what is 1? You don't know what is 1. You don't know what is 2. And when you make analysis 1, if you say, well, how many 1 are there, how many 2 are there, you are going to get values in 1 and 2. So you don't want that. You want to know district name, what 1 means what district, 2 means what district, and you have to open back your homework where you had written what is 1, what is 2, right? Instead of that, just go here, double click on the, see, it gives you, once you go and place your cursor on the district name, it will come, there is a dialog box coming, double click here to change variable settings, right? Click it. So you get it here. So the name is district name. You want to give a longer name for this, you can give. What is actually you want to give some description here, you can still give. You want to describe the data about the district name or whatever it is. Next, nominal, it's a nominal, column type is nominal. You can change it to ordinal or scale. Can you all see that? But now for now, district is a nominal data. So click it on the nominal data only. Everyone is getting, if it's ordinal, click it on ordinal. If it is nominal, click it on nominal. I hope you are able to understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
madam.
ma'am.
Very good. Thank you, Hina
Yes.
madam. Yes. So here, next in the down, filter, value, and label. So when you come to value, 1, what does 1 mean here? District, we'll take 2 districts. So this is data of 2 districts. So 1 refers to Belagavi. Yes. Isn't it similar to your SPSS?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
You all had the similar one,
That
right?
is similar to SPSS.
Yes, exactly. So it is also same here. So in one is Belagavi, second one will take Dharwad. Okay. Did I click it? See, as I am writing, as I'm typing these label names, you can see in the district column, you can see it has changed to Belagavi. And as you go scroll down, you will also see Dharwad also. Are you able to see, guys? Those who have already downloaded, please, have you all imported the data?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Can you see that?
Yes, madam.
Okay.
Yes.
So it will change automatically. Wherever 1 is there, it will directly take as Belagavi, and wherever 2 is there, it will take as Dharwad. It will start
Dharwad.
showing. Yes. Okay. Done. Yes. Then close this. Apply.
ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Sorry, ಏನ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್?
ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ದಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಡಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್ ನೀವು? 3 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಓಪನ್ ಹೋಗಿದೀವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆ
ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಹೋಗಿದೀವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನಮ್
Okay.
ಫೈಲ್ ಬ್ರೌಸಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗಿದೀವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆ
ನಂತರ ನಮ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಟಾ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದು.
ನೀವು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ?
ನೀವ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ save ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಸರ್ ಅದನ್ನ?
ಸೇವ್
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಡೇಟಾ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ.
ಯಾವ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಅದನ್ನ ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹಾ
Desktop
ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್.
ಬುಕ್ 3 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ವಿಜುವಲ್ ಸರ್.
ಸರ್ ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ಅದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್ ನೀವು
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಮ್
Madam.
ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್
ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಂದು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇದು ಜಾಸ್ಪಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ಪಿ EX ಅದು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಮೇಡಮ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಫೈಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲೇಷನ್
ಹಾ
ಸುಮಾರು.
ಅದ್ರ ಆ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಫುಲ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸರ್?
ಎಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಫುಲ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ನಿಮಗ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ತರ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ತಾನೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಇದು ಓಪನ್
Yes,
ಮಾಡಿ
madam.
ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಇದು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ, JSP ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 12.12782 KB ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಸರ್? ನನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ JASP ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಮೂರನೇದ್ ಐಕಾನ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದೇ ತರ ಫೈಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ತಾನೆ ಸರ್?
ಹೌದು.
ಹಾ, ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ಕರ್ಸರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಾ.
ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಡಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಸಲ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ, ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಓಪನ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸರ್?
The JASP 0.1930 window JASP and that evaluation copy. Then I click it, there is a 3 dots is coming. The bin, generic, iconic, image format, model. All those things will come.
ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ ಸರ್, ಮೇಲೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಐಕಾನ್ ಬೇಡ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಮೇಲೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಜಾಸ್ಪ್ ಅಂತ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ರನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ಫೋ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್.
ಇದು ಬಿನ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಬಿನ್, ಜನರಿಕ್, ಐಕಾನಿಕ್, ಜನರಿಕ್ ಹಂಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಹಂಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಂಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಓ, ಅದ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, ಜಿಪ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಜಿಪ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಬಂತು ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಜಿಪ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಮೇಡಮ್? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನೀವು.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮೇಡಮ್?
ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಲೋಡರ್ ಮೇಲೆ
ರೈಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಅದು ಜಿಪ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಜಿಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಲ ಮೇಡಮ್?
ಎಸ್.
Then it is a download. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Lot of techniques.
ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಯಾರೋ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ. ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಏನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನೀವು ನಂಗೆ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಟು ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್.
ಮೇಡಮ್, ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಗೆ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2 ಧಾರವಾಡ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಾನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ
ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೋಯ್ತದು. ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಲ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಸರ್? ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಸರ್?
ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ.
ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಬೇರೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾವುದು? ಹುಬ್ಳಿ ಬೇಡ, ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ,
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನುಡಿ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಈಗ
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ನೀವು ನುಡಿ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗುಡ್ ಟು ಗೋ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ನಾನು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್, ಅಗೇನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಾಪಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ತಾನೇ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೆಳಗಾವಿನೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮೇಲಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಅಂತ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಯನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಅಂತ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಾನೆ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಲ್ಲ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ನಾನು ವಾಪಸ್ ಈ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮತ್ತೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So now it is changed to ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ. ಈಗ ನಿಮಗ್ ಒಂದು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ. ಇದೇ ತರ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಾಪಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ವಾಪಸ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಡೇಟಾ ಬಂತು. ವಿಲೇಜ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಡ, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ರೇಷನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ನೇಮಿಗೆ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಂತು. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ 4, ಲೇಬಲ್ಸ್ 4. ಎಸ್, ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡಿನಲ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ. Actually, what kind of data is it? Nominal data. So I changed it to nominal data. Next, illenide, first 2 villages are from Belagavi, 3rd and 4th villages are from Dharwad. So first label ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ thumbs up ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. So village of 1, value 1, number 1 refers to label Halga. There is a village known as Halga. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಕ್ತಿ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಧಾರವಾಡ I said. So these are Tarihal, ನೀವು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಂತ. ಆಸ್ ವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ in the session, so they are understanding what is the difficulties and accordingly they are asking the questions and therefore they are able to work it out. But if you're not following as I'm saying, then you will be like, yeah, you're seeing it but it is not registering in your actions. Therefore, if try to practice these things so that it will be easier for you to learn this fast. So one is Tarihal and one is Mansoor village. How many of you all did this? Can I have a quick raise of hand in the chat box? How many of you all did this 4 villages? Name the 4 villages for 4 numbers. Okay, very good, Hina ma'am. Mantesh sir, very good. Mabubi, yes, very good. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 people? What about Jagdish sir? What about Mallikarjun sir? Bhagyashri ma'am, very good.
ನಂದಾಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Seema ma'am, good. Sir, ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಯಾರದು? ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಸರ?
ಎಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಆಯ್ತು.
Shweta ma'am. Yes. Yeah, so we have many of them getting it done. Yes, yes. Okay. Here, one more I'll show you. You can even reverse the order. For example, you want to see, if you just click on this reverse order, it will go 4, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, can you see this? On this icon, it will reverse the order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Then reverse order of numerical values also you can see. Yes. Then you can see this up, down, like you want to shift Kakti first. So click it up. Then you want to have Mansoor second, then click it up, again one. So it came second. Can you see, using these arrows in the left hand side, you can change or reorder even the positions of these values. Okay, position of these variables. Any doubt with this? Hina ma'am, did you try this?
Yes,
Change it?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is it easy?
We hardly changed it.
You had already changed it. Yeah. So I'll not change the. Click on the variable. And see, as you click wrong, it is going out. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So go and save it. Apply. So you got it, Halga, and almost there are 300 plus data here. So it will be, you can see all the data. Can you see Mansoor is here, then Tarihar, then Kafti, then Halga, and then yeah, you have all the 4 data here. And Mansoor. Then you have respondents, will not change anything about respondents. We'll go to cast. I want this also be done by you all quickly. Value 1, 2, 3. One is value 1 refers to SC, value 2 refers to ST, and value 3 refers to others. Let's see who will do it quickly. Value 1 under cast menu. First, change it to nominal data. Go to column type, change it to nominal data. Then give the labels. So 1 refers to SC, 2 refers to ST, and 3 refers to others. Very good. Mabubi sir has done it first. Very good. Round of applause for them. You can clap, give a clap, round of applause to them. Others.
Mabubi is a madam.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, I didn't know. Mabubi ma'am.
It's okay, ma'am. No problem.
Oh, sorry, I got confused. Okay. Bhageshri ma'am done, Shweta ma'am done, Hina ma'am done, Mantesh sir also done. Very good. I hope it is you are all able to follow this. Yes. Yeah. Hina ma'am also done. Hima also done. Can you see now? It becomes more easier, right? When this data is in this name, right? Instead of 1, 2, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, right? Okay, then types of family and ration card. Will you all change this all? Shall I give you all the option names? Will you all change and come back to me immediately? Ration card. Yeah, ration card 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. Can you see here? Ration card 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 refers to AAY, 2 refers to BPL, 3 refers to APL, 4 refers to no card. Quick all change. We have less time. We're running out of time. 2 refers to BPL, 3 refers to APL, and 4 refers to no card. You will have no card. BPL, APL, can you see that it has changed? Respondent, education. So education, 1 is illiterate. Second one is primary. Everyone is following with me? Primary.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, primary. Then third one is high school. Fourth one is degree. And fifth one is any other.
Third one, ma'am.
High school. Third one, high school. You can see my screen. I have already typing them. Illiterate, primary, high school, degree, any other. Okay.
That
Next.
means we will after the Excel format 1, 2, 3 like that. Then we will change the as per as our objectives, madam.
Sir, when we are collecting the data, no, sir, we'll collect in form of nominal data, not in ordinal data, right? For example, if you're taking a respondent from Belagavi, you will mark him as 1. Okay, when you're entering the data in the Excel sheet, you will mark it as 1. Yes, and then under 1, which village when it is asked, you will mark it as 1 again. What does it mean? He is from Halga. Right, so that later when you make an analysis, how many people from Halga village of Belgaum district have studied primary school, right? So when you, for that you need to have some numbers, right? You first put a number, and then okay, when you give a number, when you make an analysis, you will have 1, 5 in the sense 1 minute. The data for primary school is 2. Okay, 2 under the column 1. What does that mean? You will not understand. Therefore, you rename the values. What do you mean? When it was a primary school means you are putting it as 2. If that person has only studied primary school, you will say it is, you will mark it as 2. You will enter it as 2. But when you're making the analysis, you need it like when you have putting in the table, you will write the names, no? In x-axis, or sorry, in the columns and in the rows, you need to make the frequency table, right?
Yes, madam.
The frequency tables, you need the titles. And
Yes,
if you
madam.
don't put the titles, you will not get the numbers properly. And therefore, here we are doing it. The collected data is, first we collect the data. And then when we collect the data, we enter data in the nominal format, because for data analysis, you need nominal format. Okay, in numbers, you want numbers. And then again, we convert it, or you give it a proper first stage, that is, you give them the exact names of it, but the computer knows, the software knows that 2 means primary, 1 means illiterate, 3 means high school. It is not a score. It is not a, well, it doesn't mean that it is 3 marks. It means high school. Okay, so that is why nominal data needs a special care. If it was only like, you know, sorry, categorical data needs special care. If it was just a nominal data number, for example, income, 9312 is not 9312 means it is in thousands. We know that that is the value. But here the value is different, the meaning is different. Okay, for example, gender, for female we put 1, and for male if we put 2. Okay, when the analysis made, when you find the mean, median, mode, what you will get, the answer is absurd. Mean of 1, mean of 2, what does that mean? You need a count of 1 and count of 2. You can't do mean of 1 and mean of 2, right?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, so you need to count how many women are there, how many men are there. So you can have a count. Later you.
That means number will be converted into simple the word.
Yes, exactly.
That's
and
what,
that is only done for what kind of data? Categorical data, not yeah, not for the nominal data or stored. Okay, sir. Then we have types of family. Under types of family, we have only 1 and 2. Types of family, for 1 we have nuclear, and 2 you have joint. In the occupation, here we have 0 to 4. In 0, we have unemployed. One refers to agriculture. Two refers to self-employed. Three refers to salaried. Private means in private sector he's salaried employee. And 4 refers to salaried government employee. Or you can say government employee. You can just say government employee also. And we have now the data is ready. Anybody like still behind, left behind? May I know if everybody has updated yourself with this? Oh, somebody is talking, put yourself on mute and talk, please.
Ma'am, can you repeat the village name, ma'am? Halaga. Second one is?
It's Halga, Kakti, Kakti, Sarihat, and Mansoor, Mansoor.
And last fourth one, job holders name.
Fourth one, right? Salary, government employee. Government employee.
Okay.
ಓಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಬರೀ ನಾವು ಡೇಟಾನ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಮ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಏನೇನ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಇದೆ ವಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಡೇಟಾ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೋನ್ ನೌ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೇಟಾ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 2 districts ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಹುಬ್ಬಳ್ಳಿ in villages we have 4 Halga, Kakti, Tarihal and Mansoor. Then we know that we have respondents and then we have castes, different castes. Then we have ration card, what kind of ration cards. Then, okay, here also it is showing ration, ordinal data. It goes to nominal data. Yeah, ordinal, we can keep it ordinal, no problem. Then respondent, education we have, type of family we have, occupation we have, and income we have. Okay, if you want to add any other data also, you have this plus sign here. Yes, so you can click on that and you can add any new data. Okay, and you can just with what kind of data it is and you can just import the data as well, or simply copy and paste also. Okay, so now this is and remember JAS does not have its own type of file. It can work out with any file, CSV file, or even Excel sheet can be imported here. Okay, and yeah, one more thing. Here, when you click on the data, oh, here we can change. Yeah, in the older section, a set of JAS, we couldn't change any data here. It used to, if you click on these cells, it would directly take you to the Excel sheet, wherein the data is already there. There you have to make the changes and automatically the changes could be seen here. But now it is an updated version. So you can change the data, anything. You can make any changes in the cells here as well. Okay, now we are knowing the data. Let's go for the analysis. Shall we start with the analysis? Yes. Mabubi ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we start with the analysis?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's get. Okay, thank you. Okay. Clicked on the analysis. Here you can see descriptive, t-tests, ANOVA, mixed models, regression, frequencies, and factors. Right? Shall we start with frequencies? Okay. Okay, not frequency, we'll go with the descriptive first. Descriptive statistics, okay, you all know statistics is of two types, descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. What is the difference between descriptive and inferential? Anybody?
Descriptive statistics means a detailed study.
Very good. And what is prescriptive? Sorry, inferential?
Inferential means give the proper the interpretation.
So the descriptive will not give you interpretation.
No, it's also interpretation, but the inferential means we looking for the cause and relationship.
Very good. We'll find the peak cause and relationship so that we can infer. Like you can have a inferential means. What you can inference means which data we do not have, which is not seen in the data. We can get that data. Like we can forecast. We can do the forecasting. Okay, so that is inferential statistics. Very good. Durga Pasur, right? Yeah, Dr. Durga Pasur. So here, descriptive statistics. You click on descriptive statistics. Everyone. Click on the descriptive statistics. You have again 4 columns coming, 4 options coming. Click on the descriptive statistics. Now you find a new, you go into a new page. Did you click?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I hope everybody is able to see the same screen which is on the screen, on my screen.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Now I'll show you all. Now where if you want to see the data, you just have to go in the left hand corner. You can see here, drag to show data. Yes. There is one option, 3 buttons here, and it is showing here the drag to show data. You can just pull this like this, click on it, and you'll see the data here. Again, close back the window. You can, you know that the sliding door, it is like a sliding door. You can see? Yes, you can just slide it here. You see the data, you slide it back, you can't see the data. You want to see the full data, just click like this. You get the full data. Again, go back to the right side corner, hide data. It's going to hide your data. Yes, everyone? Go back to these 3 lines. Just you can slide the data like this. Yes, the page is clear. Even here, you want to close it or you want to hide it, or you want to hide it or you want to open it. Yes, there are 3 pages in the same screen. You can keep all 3 pages open like this, side by side. You don't want the data slide, then you can just close it. It will be there, but you can just move it and you can see it. Yes, everyone? Okay, let me ask. Bhageshri ma'am, may I have some response for 5 minutes with you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, are you able to follow this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can mute yourself. Thank you. Now, my questions will be continuously interacted by okay, Seema ma'am will be interacting, I'm sure, right? Okay. So let's close this data. And now variable. So here it is the descriptive, this is the functional box. This is the action box. You know, whatever you want action, the variables you should put here. See here, you have on the second side of the page, you have descriptive statistics where valid, missing, mean, standard deviation, minimum, and maximum. These are the minimum things that are describing the data. So what is, if the value is valid or not valid, if there is any data that is missing, okay, then we have mean. Okay, mean means, okay. In the descriptive data, we have 2 types of analysis. That is, we have 2 types of what you can say procedures. That is, measures of central tendency and measures of dispersion. Measures of central tendency talks about one particular data that represents the whole data set. Yes, so it might be mean, it might be median, and it might be mode. Okay, and I hope you all already have attended the sessions previously, and sir has explained all these. I just saw, like, I just seen the your functional schedule of this, and you all have already studied these things. So I'm not going deep to explain this. So measures of central tendency tells about the central value or that value which defines the whole data set. Now there are more than 300 data values here. So one data that represents the whole set. Whereas measures of dispersions like minimum, maximum, range, yes, range, then standard deviation, covariance, variance. These are telling what? How far are each observation from the central value? Okay, so measures of centrality is giving us one representative value, whereas measures of deviation or measures of dispersion is telling how far are the values from, what is the range of values, how far are they distributed. So these are the two ways of describing the data. One is, tell me one thing that describes your class, and tell me how far is the person who is come last in your class. Okay, or you say about the income. What is the average income? That is the per capita income of this village. One more is, how far is the poorest person from this average? So telling about the per capita income of the village told by the measures of central tendency. How far is the poorest or the richest person of this village tells who is giving us this data? The measures of the, dispersion, right? So this is how we describe the data. So now this is the two types of descriptive statistics. One is measure of central tendency, and another is measures of dispersion. Now we are not getting any values here because we have not put any variables in this box. So let's go one by one. First we'll see district wide data. So district and split it. Okay. One is district and split it into villages. Under that, go for caste. Yes. Are you able to do this, everyone? Income. See, when I said district and split the district into villages. Okay, so second one, it clicked into villages. So district name. Yeah. Under district, we have Halga, Kakti, Karihar, Mansoor. And under caste, we have, okay, caste wise, again, it has divided, splitted the data according to the different villages. I hope you are able to see this data executed in the right hand side. Everyone. Also income, the average income, the nominal income. Okay, I'll just do this.
Yes, madam.
So in the whole data, we have valid 357 data, missing is 0. Mean income is 12 lakh 1 lakh 23,000. Standard deviation is 12 lakh 6,000. Minimum income is 1 lakh 57,000. Maximum income is 4 lakh 99,000. Okay, so we have got the minimum and maximum. Let's go for other things you want to know. So mean is here. I want to know the mode, median. I want to know the mode. Can you see here? There's a drop down here, statistics, basic plots, customizable plots, and tables. Yes? Frequency tables, then customizable plots, basic plots, statistics. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes, madam.
Yeah. So whatever you want to do with this data, see, go on adding the names here, okay, in the variable form. Nodi. In just a click, village name Halga, Kakti, Tarihar, Mansoor, district name Belagavi, Dharwad, okay. And what is the income I have given? So income, see, for income, it is given frequency is 130 here. Here in Belagavi, out 130 are from Halga. Kakti, respondents are 85. Tarihar, okay, it has to be Dharwad here. 1 minute. In Tarihar, we have 72 respondents. In Mansur, we have 70 respondents. Yes. So this is how you can form the frequency tables here. Okay, you want more data about it, go on clicking whichever you want, quartile deviation, cut points, where you want the cut points, you don't want, then percentiles you want. Percentiles idella results alli tumba use agutte. I think quartiles and percentiles are used more in the results. Quartiles can be used for even income data. Yes. Then we
Percentage come, sir, madam?
Sorry?
Percentile means a percentage.
No, percentiles is different from percentage, sir. Percentile is a complete different concept, sir. Yes, sir. Then we have covariance, correlation. As you go on clicking the data, okay, here we'll not do covariation, correlation. We have different data set for that. So here you can see you have n number of options under the statistics drop down. Yes. Then, yeah. Next one is basic plots, distribution plots, interval plots. These are for different types of data. You go on getting the data. Here we'll just add all the control itkondu ella select ಮಾಡಿ. If you select control, respondents will not put here. Whatever type of data your table you want, you can just see here distribution plot. So you get different types of graphs as well.
The way it's going, madam, actually graph.
Sir, I told you just now. See here in this menu, you have one is statistics. Okay, so you have 4 options here. Yes, statistics, basic plots, customizable plots, and tables. So when you go under basic plots and you just click on the distribution plots, you get the graphs. You want pie charts. Again, you have the data. It will just take some seconds to see here, you have got the pie charts. You just go on scroll down, you have got the result and the right hand side. Yes, sir.
Madam, whether it is copy for in Word format, madam?
Yes, sir. I'll share it. Yeah. Now you go here, result. On the result, you have beside result, you have a drop down like one arrow mark here. Copy. You can see this. Copy. And wherever you want to paste it in your Word file, create a Word file. Sorry, I do not have a MS Office in this one. So you can just go and click in your MS Office. Copy and paste. Okay, I do not have a Word MS Words working in my laptop right now. So you can just try that, sir. I think Durgappa sir asked me this question. Hello. Am I audible?
Yeah, madam. Madam, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಎಂತ
ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್?
ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮೇಡಮ್ MS Word ಗೆ.
MS Word ನಾ? ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಫುಲ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? You can see this arrow mark. Click on the arrow mark. As soon as you click, it will be selected. Copy. You have an option here, copy. Yes. Copy and paste it in the Word file.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
But whenever pasting, it is come under the Word for PDF format or Word format, madam?
Word format, sir. You can only paste it in the Word format, sir.
No.
Then you can change PDF.
No, madam. At the time of the pasting, suppose we change the table name, it's possible?
Yes.
ನೋ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅದು ಆ ತರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ನೇಮು, ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ನೇಮು ಅದಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ಟೇಬಲ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ನೋಡುವ. HTML ಫೈಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತದು ಬೇಡ. Actually, ನನ್ನ laptop ಅಲ್ಲಿ I'm not like there was some issue and my MS Office completely got this, so I'm not able to show that. Did you copy? ನೀವು ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ ಮೇಡಮ್?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಕಾಪಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಅದು ಆ ತರಾನೇ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅದು ಆ ತರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಹೊಡಿರಿ, ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಹೊಡಿರಿ.
ಎಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಪೇಜ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ವಿ ಹೊಡಿರಿ, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೊಡಿರಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಓಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ.
ಯಾರಿಗ್ ಬಂತು? ಸದಾಶಿವ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬಂತ?
ಎಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಎಸ್.
ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಹೊಡೆದವ್ರು ಯಾರು? ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಸರ್, ದುರ್ಗಪ್ಪ ಸರ್?
ಮಹಂತೇಶ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು.
ಮಾಂತೇಶ್ ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಸರ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಪೇಜ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್. ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸಬಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಸು, ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ ಎನಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೋ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ನೀವು ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಓದ್ತೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದೆಲ್ಲ, ಯು ರೀಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್, ಯು ರೀಡ್ ಸಮ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ and they say that we have used that test, this test. All these options will be available here. Just need to go through the methodology. See, every software works. Whatever data you give, it will give you the analysis. Okay, what is known as garbage in, garbage out agbardu, gigo agbardu. Gigo means what? You give some data, you make analysis, and of course it will give you the analysis, it will give you the result. Any data you give it, it will give you the analysis, because it's the duty of the software. But is that right or wrong will be only known if you know the proper methodology, if you know what kind of data you are using, if you know whether the data has the method has been properly step by step followed or not. Unless and until, you will not be able to like justify what you have done. Yes, you know the software, but before that you need to know the methodology of using the data, or you can say data tool. ನಾವು ಟಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಂತ ಯಾವುದೋ 2 ದಿನ ಹಾಕಿ ಟಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ರಿಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಂತ ಯಾವುದೋ 1-2 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ರಿಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಾರಿ, hello. So you need to know for what we have to run the regression, for what I need to do the frequency table. See, for ordinal data and this categorical data, you can't do all the ANOVA analysis, right? But you can do, of course, you can you can do the you can far as much as I know, like you have already studied, we can put it into counts, okay, or you can have classifications. Only that much you can. You can't find the mean, median, mode, and all for that, right? So, and you cannot have any test. Like, of course, for categorical data, there are different tests there, but then you need to know the methodology properly. I hope everybody is done with the descriptive analysis.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'll just.
Yes, ma'am.
Because as I just watched the time and it's already 6. Yeah. See, just everyone go to open. Can you see the data library? In the data library, go to regression. In the data library, open data library, regression, and yeah, you can go to the sales album sales data. It will open the new JASP software. It's already ready-made data. I told you there is ready-made inbuilt data inside. For teaching, this is the best app here. Okay, because you have already the statistics or the data installed here. You don't have to find, now you want to know where is the data and what data is this. So they have given a small description above here. Description is this fictional data set is of album sales, provides factors that may influence the album sales. So wherein advertisement, sales, airplay, attract means how are these variables, these 4 variables affecting the album sales. Okay, album means the song, a song album, the song's album is being released, and on what basis the sales have been increased. Is it because of the advertisements? Okay, that is, you have spent more, of course, as economists we know, more we spent on advertisement in today's market, more goes on advertisement. They sell more on, they spend more on advertisement. That has more influence on the people, because advertisements really influence the people. That is how they communicate with the people. So advertisements, then sales data is there, how many, so in sales is in thousands of copies of each album in a week after the release. Then airplay, how many times songs from the album were played on a prominent national radio station in the week before the release. So more the airplay it has gone, the more, if the downloads have happened, the more sales have happened or not, we have to know. Then attraction, how attractive people found the band's image. So the rating is given in 1 to 10. Yes? Everyone with me? Seema ma'am, please could you reply? Shivappa sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Continue, madam.
Continue, ma'am. Continue.
Yeah, okay.
Continue, madam.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, so this is the data that has been given here. And down, we can see the description analysis made, descriptive statistics done, linear regression, correlation. This all is already done by the JASP itself. Okay, it is already given. You can just take this one by one. You can go on explaining the students as well. So you want to do it again, you can go here in this file. So linear regression, you have correlation, you have linear regression again. So correlation, you click, automatically you have the data here. Click on these variables. Send them back here. Your result will be null. Yes, result ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ವಾಪಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇದು ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, result ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. One by one, if you go on adding it in the variable box, again the result starts coming. Where you want to see the data, where is the data? How do you see the data? Just drag this window. You see the data. Can you see the data? AdWords, sales, airplay, and attract. Yes. So
Yes.
attract data is in 1 to 10 because it's a what kind of data? Nominal data. So ordinal data. And then AdWords is again in numbers. So it has like how much in 1,000 we have spent. Then sales, how many units of albums have been sold. Airplay, how many times it has been played in the radios. So once again, we don't need it to be seen here. So we can just close it, hide the window. Now, Pearson's correlation is here. Okay. So AdWords, variable, and sales. We want to see only 2 variables, or we can see just 4 also, as all 4 will work. You can see here, this if this reading is tough for you all, here you just have to click another option here. Here, Pearson's correlation is there. This is Pearson's correlation. You can say here additional options. Can you see additional options? Display pair.
Yes, madam.
Yes, display pairwise, flag significant correlations, flag significant correlations. This will give you more clear data. Yes, how is advertised and sales? Okay, can anybody tell me what is correlation? Girija, madam. I think most of them are going mute, or are they not? They have just.
No, madam, no, madam. It's actually somebody else because not speaking well. Therefore, is
Okay, they are shy to speak.
yes, madam.
Okay, sir. Okay, no problem. Fine, fine.
Correlation means it's the relationship between the two variables, whether it is dependent and independent variables.
Is it dependent and independent? Tell us about
You
dependent.
take as the how
Correlation is a
related
measure.
measures of
Sir, may I know what's your name, sir? May I know who was speaking?
it's
Sir,
wrong, madam. Therefore,
yeah.
Madam,
You have
of course.
got confused between two things. Yes, sir. Idu yaru?
Madam Ganesh.
Ganesh, sir. Yes, tell me.
Madam, correlation is a measure to see how two variables move, madam, whether they move in same direction or in the opposite direction.
Very good. Very
How
good.
the two variables have a relation
Relation.
between them.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Very good. So we can only tell about the relation between two variables. Correlation, relation. So correlation. Ibru ಒಳಗೆ co ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Two. Okay, couples, co-education, so you remember it like co-education, correlation. So what is the relation between two variables? For example, price and demand. What kind of relation exists them between them? Negative relation. Whereas price and supply, there is positive relation. When price increases, demand decreases. Whereas when price increases, supply increases. So there is a positive relation between price and supply, whereas there is a negative relation between price and demand. Negative relation between price and demand. So what kind of negative relation? How much it is dependent, or who is dependent and who is independent? That all is told by next one. That is, yes, anybody?
Regression.
Dependency, independency, regression ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ sir. Sorry. How much dependency, how much independency, or how much impact? See, regression tells about cause and effect. Now, who is the cause? Who is the effect? And what is the relation? Okay, dependency and independency, that also is told by your discipline. For example, people from law, okay, from law background. There are some people from law background here, right? So what is the cause and what is the effect will be told by the theory they have studied. Okay, the analysis will not tell you what is dependent and what is independent. You have to decide. The researcher will decide what variable is going to be independent for you, what is variable is going to be dependent. If, for example, because of the rainfall, there is good yield. This is told because of your knowledge. The data will not tell you. Data will tell you how much they are related. They are positively related or negatively related. If there is 100 ml, what is this, millicenter of rainfall, how much there will be how good the what is this yield will be. That will be told by the data. Okay, but it will not tell the cause and effect. Cause and effect is a common sense. It is a discipline sense. Okay, discipline will tell you. Your subject will tell you. You have to decide. The researcher will decide. Okay. I hope I'm clear, guys. Everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You can
yes.
clear and continue, ma'am.
Shall we continue? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, yes. So here we can see advertisement sales. Pearson's correlation is 0.57. That means 57%. There is positive relation between advertisements and sales. So as we all know, variance or correlation value is also denoted as R. Okay, and the value of it lies between -1 and +1. If it is -1, means perfect negative relation between two variables. If it is positive +1, it is perfect positive relation between two variables. Okay, and if it is in between, it depends on moderately or highly correlated, or moderately correlated, or low correlation. That all we can tell with the numbers. So it is first one, sales and advertisements, then airplay and advertisements. So you can see what all are having positive sign only. And you can see on the left hand side, the p value, it is all significant. Now see here, in the note below the table, all tests are one-tailed for positive correlation. So 1 star p value, which is having 1 star, okay, means it is significance at 0.5 level. P value with 2 stars, it is significant at 0.01%, sorry, significance level. And P value with 3 stars is 0.001% significant. Okay, so 1%, 10%, and 5%. And in social science, you all know up to 10% significance level is accepted because social science is study of human beings and human beings have dynamic nature, is of dynamic nature. And we can't find everyone into the same theory. Some are exceptional. We do not have universal theories in social science. Okay. So one by one variables here. So you can see the variables and then you can see the scatter plots down here. Okay. ತುಂಬಾ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ we have okay we can correlated. See, as you change the option, your result is changing here. You can just only if you want this table to be copied, click here, copy, and then paste it. Scatter plots, you want to copy, paste it. Okay. See, again here one by one, paired t-test is here, paired one with two variables only. Okay, this is all about correlation. I hope correlation is clear. If you go assumption checks, Shapiro, this again goes to theory part. If you know the theory, this all will be useful for you all. So already it is 6 o'clock. I think Seema ma'am, Ram sir, can I continue for another 5 minutes?
Yes, madam, you can continue.
Okay, sir, thank you. I hope it is interesting.
Hey, 100% interesting, madam.
Yes, madam. Yes.
Interesting, madam, and the software is also very user friendly.
And user
madam.
friendly, madam. Compared to the SPSS, is a very good, madam. We are going to make it all those things in a research field, madam.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Even like recently we got to know about this. Others maybe even we would have used this thing only. But now, yeah, this is more user friendly and more understanding side, menu driven, and very easily we can have. It is similar to SPSS, but then more like friendly, user friendly. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Then we'll go to linear regression. Next one. Click on linear regression. The whole page will come to linear regression. See. Here again, you have dependent variable, covariates, that is independent variable, then model. Under the model, what is the model you have decided now? So under statistics, go for estimates is here, confidence interval, Durbin-Watson itಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, Durbin-Watson. So what is Durbin-Watson test made for? Anyone? Any idea? Why? Linear regression is nothing but seeing the cause and effect of two variables, between two variables. What is the cause and what is the effect? Because of increase in the advertisement, how much percent there was increase in the sales? Okay. Yes. So who is independent or who is dependent on whom? We have to say means we have to decide that. The researchers will decide. So sales are dependent on advertisements. Sales are dependent on airplay. Sales are dependent on attract. So only we have one independent variable. We can have, of course, multiple independent variables. So again, it is next level of regression analysis. So first one here, sales, now it is independent variable. Okay, I'll just put it back here. Show. Click it on this and just go ahead. Yeah, ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ full complete nil ಆಯ್ತು. First dependent variable ಹಾಕೋಣ. So what is dependent variable? Sales. Okay.
Sales.
Yeah, so I'll click it and it will go into the dependent variable box. Next, first now ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ? Advertisements ಜೊತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. How much it is affecting, how much advertising is affecting the sales. So let us put it into covariance. So you got this result here on the right hand side. Okay, so I've also clicked the option here in the statistics as Durbin-Watson. So Durbin-Watson test talks about the, yes, anybody? It tells about autocorrelation. If there is, so in regression, we need to have the data, that the value which is blue, best linear unbiased estimate. To have best linear and unbiased estimate, we need to have, we have to check whether there is autocorrelation existing here, whether there is multicollinearity existing here. Yes, heteroscedasticity is existing here. We need to know these all things, right? So that is why I have asked you to, when there is single value, you need to have when we have single variable, we need to put this Durbin-Watson test also. And the statistics value here, the p value should be, yes, it lies between 0 and 4. Okay, the p value here, the value of Durbin-Watson test lies between 0 and 4. 0 tells about negative, then 4 tells there is positive autocorrelation, 0 tells there is negative autocorrelation, 4 tells it is positive autocorrelation. And if the value is 2, if the statistic value is 2, it means
Perfect.
there is no autocorrelation. Please make the point. 0 means negative autocorrelation, 4 means positive autocorrelation, 2 means there is no autocorrelation. And very important, make these points, guys, will be very helpful for you all to make analysis in future. P value should not be significant. It should be, the value should be always more than 10. Okay, this you all remember. The p value ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ p value ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಇದೆ 0.17. Durbin-Watson test ಕೆಳಗಡೆ autocorrelation value ಇದೆ, statistics value ಇದೆ, and p value ನು ಇದೆ. Okay, statistics value 1 and 2 ಇದೆ, p value 0.17 and 0.82. That means it is more than 10. Okay, multiply it by 100, you will get the value. Yes. So value, if it is 2, means what I said, there is no correlation. And this is proved. Hence it is proved because p value is insignificant. So this is the theory behind Durbin-Watson mele you can just learn more on that and you can get what is the gist behind it. So what is here? Now come to the coefficients down here, this drop down here. Okay. So intercept, advertisements, intercept, see here, 134.140. Okay, sorry, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ first. R ಅಂದ್ರೆ correlation value ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ. R is correlation. R square is nothing but regression. How much is the model fit? And adjusted R square is if you're going to add more variables. For example, here in this example, we have sales is the dependent variable and advertisements is an independent variable. So now advertisement is having how much % impact on sales? You can tell here with the help of this value here. Advertisement 0.096. Okay, multiply it with 100 and let me know what is the value. Anybody?
0.096 into 100, madam.
Yes. 9.6?
9.6%.
Yes. 9.6% is the sales is explained by advertisements. How much percent? 9.6%. Okay. Yes. The cause and effect of this, the effect of advertisements on sales is how much? 96%. Sorry, 9.6%. And whether it is, it is in the p value. So it is less than, here, less than 0.001. So significant also. The value is as well significant. The overall model is fit or not is told by R square, 0.33. It is only explained, how much the model is only explained 33%. Bari sales is to 9% ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಏನೋ ಇದೆ. Something else also is influencing the sales. What is that? That is airplay and the attraction of the album, right? So airplay, let's add airplay and see how much will be the model fit now. Okay, when I add the airplay into, where should I add it? In the factors, in the covariates, where should I add it?
Covariant.
Very good. So in the covariate. So now again you get different. See here, advertisements and airplay. You got two values here. Advertise ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇತ್ತು ಇಷ್ಟವರೆಗೆ. Airplay nu ಬಂತೀಗ. So how much is airplay influencing this sales? 3.5%. Yes, 3.589%. Now can see the R square value. How much it is? 0.629. So first it was only 33% explained. The model was explained only 33%. Now the model has explained 62%. What was the adjusted value? 62. Like new because of the new variable, new independent variable, how much model was explained now? More extra, that was 62. Artha aita? So because of adding just airplay, you are able to explain the model still better. Higher the, R square value lies between 0 and 1. Okay, 0 means unexplained, 1 means perfectly explained. it should always be between that. Okay, 1 idru, there is some mistake in the data. 0 idre, data sariyagilla anta artha. ನೀವು cause and effect ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. There is some theoretical issue. But if there is, it lies between 0 and 1 and not towards exterior to anybody, then it is properly explained anta artha. Okay, sir?
Yes, madam.
Yes. So again, if we'll add attract also, see, either individually 11% influence ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. And it is also statistically significant. Every value is less than 0.1% in the 1%, right? So it is significant at 1% level. Only one time wrong agbodu, but 99 times it is right, it means. Okay, so it is also significant. And yeah, so adjusted R square is 66%, whereas R square value is 66%. So now it is, yes, the model is well explained. 66% of the sales is been explained by 3 variables. That is advertisements, airplay, and track. And this good. It's a very good value to go forward. Getting it? So
Yes,
we have
madam.
understood descriptive statistics. We have understood correlation. We have understood also regression. I think we'll stop here. You can see this is self-explanatory, so you can just go through it, give some time for it. Also in the YouTube, you just find JAS. Okay, there are lecture series. There are so many lecture series. One by one, you can just go through them. You get a guide. In the books, there. I will share a book also in the group. Sir will share it to you so that you can read through it to teach as well as to learn. It's a very interesting thing. I think I have given that seed to you, so that curiosity to you, so that you can learn more. I believe so that I think, yeah. Any doubts or anything, please go ahead. Yeah.
Whether you uploaded some video to YouTube, madam, from your side?
Link ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. Hello. ನಾನು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
There are, like, I have not done those videos, sir. It's already done by the JAS software, like whoever has developed that JAS. So it's their advertisement skills. So through that also you can learn, sir, for more learning, because now in 1 hour we can't learn the whole thing, no, sir. But for that we need to have proper knowledge of the descriptive analysis. So go on more for learning this all methodologies, okay? So that you'll be not making any mistake, because any software will give you GIGO, garbage in, garbage out. So better to have proper knowledge of the econometric analysis. You know, econometrics, if you learn, you will get more knowledge on this. And this will have your good scope in future. And today in market, it's in demand. Big data analysis, you need this only. And they're earning in, in good numbers. Just, you have to have this data skills and softwares along with it. Yeah, any other doubts?
Yes, madam. No, we are other friends to think about it. SPS is good. After that, Strata will be taken to the classes. Well, Strata is good. Then Jaspi also so good, madam.
Thank you, sir. So whichever you feel good, you just go on. You can do different tests in different ones, so that you can come up with multiple, software users. You can show your, that knowledge of everything in your thesis, or you can say in your presentation to students. It will be helpful, sir. Very good, sir. You have taken the best use of this workshop, I feel.
Thank you.
Okay. Any other doubt?
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you once again. Everybody was so interactive. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Dr.
Thank you, madam.
Dr. Shreya Suppannavar, I thank you on behalf of
Thanks, ma'am.
CMDR.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I thank you, sir, Ram sir, and CMDR, Hangodi Mat sir, Director
On behalf
CMDR.
of CMDR and the candidates for sharing your valuable input. And also I thank the candidates for being in the session patiently. Thank you one and all.
Thank you so much, sir, for inviting me, and
Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir.
opportunity to do this. Yeah, give this knowledge to everyone.
Thank you, madam. Thank
Sir,
you, sir.
Rampa sir, I also thank you, sir, because of lot of Jaspin, the work will be going on. Thank you for this type of workshop, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I'm so glad.
Thank you so much, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Please,
Sir,
please.
namaskara.
Yes, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I think we are good to leave the session, sir. Ram sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Once again, thank you, Hangodi Mat sir, and you for inviting me in this platform, sir. Thank you. Anything, I have shared my email ID also. You can just mail me. I can just reply if you have any queries.
Okay, ma'am.